Hey, just wanted to share some very interesting things that I've been noticing at open houses lately. We're getting a lot of people coming in at the open houses and just coming in right off the bat, starting to disparage the home in front of other people, coming in a combative mode with their guerrilla marketing tactics, telling us how crappy the market is right now and how horrible the market's going to be. And honestly, guys, this is not a classy look. Come into the home, have a look at the house, see if it's even worth your while or not. And if you really think that the market's going to crash, what are you doing at open houses, wasting your own time? So please stay classy, stay polite and kind. Don't go around disparaging other people's homes. It's not a good look.